Again we will discuss about lesson 7, cobwebs. Cobwebs means the spider's net. We will discuss about the spider and its net, that is cobweb. Okay? Now see, the long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. That means it is a long piece. The cobweb is a long piece and it looks white in the daytime. And according to poet, the cobweb is on the telephone wires. Then the busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles. Ceaseless means restless. It is very busy with his work. And day and night it does its work. So the poet says a ceaseless insect. And when day and night it bathes its cobweb day and night and waits for the small insects to eat. The setting sun pours into them colors are rainbow bright. When it is afternoon and the time is going to evening, that means before evening the sun sets. The sun sets in the evening. At the settings, the sun setting time. That means at the time of setting, the sun looks reddish. It looks very beautiful. It gives different color rays on the earth or to the earth. Everything looks very beautiful at that time. So when it spreads its colorful rays onto the spider's net, it becomes colorful. It looks just like a rainbow. It looks multicolored. So the poet says, the setting sun changes the color of the cobweb, white into colorful, with different colors, but the moon turns them into magic white. After some times evening comes, then night. When it is night, the moon is in the sky at that time. We know the ray of the moon is silver color. Everything looks silvery in moonlight. So again the cobweb changes its color due to moonlight. The moonlight turns the cobweb into magic white. That means bright white. That is silver white. Who turns here? The moon turns the cobweb into magic white. Okay? The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. So children, here we know the theme of the poem. Let us discuss about the question answer, the remaining question and answers. We have already discussed about it. Who turns the cobweb to magic white, or who turns the colored cobweb into magic white? Who turns? Just I have told you. Think about it. What is the answer? Can you say? No, yes or no? Yes, very good. The moon turns the cobweb to magic white. Then the next question, question number 14. Question number 14 is, which white color is better? Which white color is better? The first one, or the second one? The first one or the second one? Which one? The second white color is better because it has brightness, because of silver color. So children, the answer is the second white color is better. The second white color is better. Look at this. Which white color is better? The first one or the second one? The second white color is better. Okay? Then, what do you mean by the long stretch of cobwebs? What do you mean by the long stretch of cobwebs? What do you mean by the long stretch of cobwebs? What do you mean by? We know the cobweb is long and continue. It is a long piece. The spider begins from a place and it continues. It continues to do its cobweb, or continue to wave its cobweb in a rotate way. So the answer is, the phrase the long stretch of cobweb means the cobweb is in very long piece, or it means the cobweb is in very long pieces. It is a very long piece. It begins from one place, then it continues to move like a circle and ends in another place. So we can say it is a long piece. What is the color of the cobweb? Who changes it? The last question is, what is the color of the cobweb who changes it? What is the color of the cobweb? What is the cowboy. Can you say? In the first stanza we have given the answer. What is it? It is white. The color of the cowboy is white. The color of the cowboy is white. Who changes it? The setting sun and the moon change its color. The setting sun and the moon change its color. The color of the cobweb is white. Really it is white color. When the sun is setting, it changes the color of the cobweb into rainbow bright. That means multicolor. Changes it into multicolor. Then at night, when the moon comes in the sky, it also changes the colored cobweb into magic white. That means the colored cobweb changes its color into magic white, that is silver white. That means the setting sun and the moon change its color. Okay? The question answer is over. Then we will discuss about some short questions. We will discuss about some short questions here. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the given verb. Fill in the blanks with proper verbs given in the brackets. Now see, we have given a sentence and a verb is given to us in the bracket. We will find out the tense of the sentence, then we will use proper form of the verb in the blank. So we will discuss about one by one. Number one, my father dash return home at 9 every evening. Look at this, children. My father does return home at 9 every evening. That means every evening your father does this work. Can you say what is the tense? What we do every day or most of the time or in a particular time, we express it in simple present tense. Its structure is subject plus verb 1 plus other words. Okay, if it is negative or interrogative, we use the helping verb like do or does. But in simple present, when the subject is third person singular, we use s or es with the verb. We will use verb 1 when it is third person singular. When the subject is third person singular, we use verb 1 with s or es. Okay children, so here we will find out the tense is simple present. What is the subject here? My father. My father is third person singular. If it is third person singular, we use s or es with the verb. That means returns, returns. My father returns home at 9 every evening. Okay children, we have to do like this. First we have to find out the tense of the given sentence, and after that we have to find out the subject. Whether it is simple present and the subject is third person singular, we have to add s or es in the verb. When it is simple past, we have to use verb 2. When it is present perfect, we have to use verb 3 with has or have. Okay, in this way we have to find out the tense. Number 2 is he does speak to me last night, last day, last year, last evening. When last is used, we know that it is in simple past tense. The structure of simple past is subject plus verb 2 plus other words. So here children, he does speak to me last night. What is the tense? It is simple past. The structure is subject plus verb 2. Subject is he. Then we have to supply its verb 2. What is its verb 2? Speak, spoke. Speak, spoke, spoken. So here S-P-O-K-E. He spoke to me last night. Then see, the market price dash rise now. The market price dash rise now. So here we have to find out the tense. Now is there. That means it is in continuous tense, present continuous tense. In present continuous, we have to supply am is are with ing verb. There is no am is are, so first of all we have to the market price. It is third person singular, so we have to use is the market price. Then we have to find out its ing verb. Rise, R-I-S-I-N-G. The market price is rising now. Day by day it rises. So in continuous form we have to express like this. Then he. D is it dash rain. It does rain since it does rain since morning. Since morning. It began in the past and now it is to place it in present perfect continuous. Okay, the structure is has or have plus been plus verb ing. That is verb 4. It has been raining. It has been raining. It has been raining since morning. It has been raining since morning. Then if number is please wait. Please wait. I dash go with you. Please wait. I dash go with you. Please wait. Can you say? This work will be done after some time. That means it will be done in future time. So we have to put it in future time. That means we will use will or shall with it. That means I will or I shall go. Will or shall with verb 1. I shall go with you or I will go with you. Okay. Please wait. I will go with you. Look at this. So we have to supply the correct form of the verbs like this. Okay, children? Now we will stop here our class. Now think about it. See the video again and again to supply the correct form of the verb. First, we have to find out the tense of the sentence, and after that we have to see the subject. Then we can supply the correct form of the verb. So we have to by heart the conjugation of verbs. Okay. What is its verb 2? What is its verb 3 and verb 4? We have to remember it. So thank you, children. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.